This is one of the most exclusive places in Paris. It is the location behind one of my best-selling photos ever. Hey guys, today I'm going to bring you to La Sorbonne, one of the most famous universities in the world. And I'm going to go all the way to the observatory. It's 200 years old observatory. And we're going to go up there and take unique views of Paris. So come with me at La Sorbonne. I'm going to show you how we get amazing Paris photos. Bonjour, mesdames et messieurs. My name is Serge. Ramelli. My work is in 120 galleries around the world, and I want to take you with me to recreate one of my best-selling photos ever. I get this question all the time. Where did you shoot that photo? Where is it? What's the angle? I get that all the time, even from local Parisians who've been living in Paris for decades. I'm going to reveal to you this secret place in Paris. It's very exclusive, so follow me, like this video and share it, and let's go, mesdames et messieurs. And it's extremely scary because I have a lot of fears of heights, but I'm going to try to take a couple of photos. Wow. It's so fun to be alone in La Sorbonne. Thank you for Thierry. He runs the place and we got the full school for us. It's amazing. This is the entrance of La Sorbonne. Look at the stairs there. Look at this. They're turning the lights on for us because it's closed, and we're about to get into the big amphitheater, the big theater, and come with us. You'll see it's very amazing. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to La Sorbonne. I love the acoustic here. I don't know if you can hear it, but hello, 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 hello. I always dreamed to be a student here. You know, this was created in 1200, and they trained politicians, lawyers, doctors. There is 8,000 to 12,000 students every day here at La Sorbonne. So this, on the way to the observatory, this is the big salon, le grand salon, where they do award shows, ceremonies. And what you see here, you have the logo of all the academy over the time, a lot from Middle Ages. They're on the ceiling there. Look at this place, it looks like Versailles. This is got built in 1200. That's kind of crazy. This is like an 800 years old university. Look at this. Now I'm very stressed because last time I was up there, I got very, 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 very scared because the fence is very, very low. And so you have this feeling that the body is attracted to the void. It's very high up. I'm extremely sensitive to heights. And last time I almost fainted, so I'm not sure this is going to work. So we're in the heart of the observatory. This I think is 200 years old. And you know, 200 years ago, there was no pollution in Paris, so they could see the stars. You can see we are in the observatory. And I'm going to go out, and it's extremely scary because I have a lot of fears of heights. But I'm going to try to take a couple of photos. J'ai totalement le vertige. I have a technique for vertigo is I look through my camera. I don't look, and I feel better. Okay, ISO 100. It's still a lot of sunshine, so I can shoot with a high speed. Okay. I have to stand up, which is really scary for me. Wow, look at that. Boom. The Pantheon is over there. I have a lot of scares of heights. I'm very careful because it's very deep and I don't know why. But anyway, what a view. I need to come back when the lights turn on in a bit. So I'm shooting from here because I have so much vertigo that from the stairs, I feel kind of safe. But when you have to go around, it's like so scary. I'm gonna have to go around again for the blue hour. But for now, I have a 300 millimeter because we have the Eiffel Tower there and we have La Défense. So I'm zooming in on that. It's kind of an unusual view. And waiting for the light now. I'm super scared. Vertigo. I don't know why I have so much vertigo, but I have a lot of vertigo because we're very high, there's a lot of wind. But look at this view. I mean, this is the Chapelle of La Sorbonne. This is the Eiffel Tower just turned on. This is La Défense. We have a great sky tonight. I'm shooting HDR because I want to get the maximum. I'm going to wait 10-15 more minutes to get the, I want to get the, you know, more lights. And that way, which is beautiful too, is there is nothing in the sky. I really want to shoot toward the west where something is happening. So I'm going to come back in about 10 minutes to get the last shot, and then I'm going to go back to safety. So I'm going to try to make a long exposure. I'm at 3.2 seconds because I want to get the Eiffel Tower is on right now. And when you do a long exposure, you can, I forgot I was doing HDR. When you do a long exposure, you can get a little more of the lights. Ça c'est un peu flou. Oh, il est beau le mur. Oh, il est beau le mur. Il est beau le mur, il est beau le mur. Oh, qu'est-ce qu'il est beau le mur. Okay, so now it's really the blue hour, and I'm shooting HDR because I want to show I have every single detail of that blue hour. And always make sure that you're sharp before you leave a place like this, because I'm not coming here every day. I'm scared like crazy. I'm scared like crazy. So I'm zooming in at 100%. Yes, it's super sharp, and I think I'm going to wait another. I want to wait for the night. They're actually using the observatory, as you can see, and they're going to look at the stars. It's going to be incredible. Incredible. So I'm going to leave the camera there because I'm so scared to take it, and I'm going to come back for the night. This is the blue hour. Let's come back for the night. Okay, little bonus. This is the tomb of the Cardinal de Richelieu. If you've seen the Three Musketeers, he always plays the villain. I'm alone in the chapel of the Sorbonne. It's incredible. It's actually not open to the public, but the head of security is a good friend and let me in. I'm going to take a photo. Look at this. It's incredible. Okay, so now it's the night, and I'm getting the night shot. I'm at 10-second exposure at f/7, 100 ISO, which is the ideal. And I just have to make sure it's extremely sharp, which I'm not sure. I think I was touching my camera. You always have to verify for the sharpness, and always try to focus on something that's far away. So I'm focusing on the Eiffel Tower right now. All right, guys, so make sure you download the free preset, because I'm using my blue hour preset, I'm using my night preset, my golden hour preset to retouch all these photos that you see here. And also make sure you get my latest training. If you use the code YouTube, you can get 50% off. The link is under the video. I'll see you in another video. Thank you very much.